Hello and welcome back to my channel. I thought I would share with you some of my zero waste things that I've been doing since the new year. The first is to try and buy my fruit and vegetables from the market so that I can buy it loose, because as I walk around the supermarket you're extremely limited on what you can buy with no plastic. So I've been going to the market. There's one on Tuesday and Thursday every week, so I can always go there and get that as long as I make the time. And I'll show you some of the stuff I got this morning. So I'm just cleaning off what I got. So I got these plum tomatoes, probably about 2 or 3 punnets, and it was £1.50. This was just, I think, about 50 pence. So I'm going to keep the elastic band there for tie-dyeing. I got the apples, they were £1.50, and I think in the supermarket they're at least £2 in plastic. And then I got the equivalent of about 3 punnets of plums for £1.50 as well. They're just soaking. And then it was 2 massive lemons, either huge lemons, for 60 pence. I'm not sure how much this lime was, but it wasn't too much. But they're just soaking in some water and vinegar to get the wax off the citrus fruits and just to make sure they're a bit cleaner. And then I started sprouting again. I started sprouting because I was trying to find lettuce and I couldn't really. It's all in like little plastic bag things. So I've got that so that I can just have a little bit in a sandwich and that sort of thing, or on the side of stuff, without having to buy a lettuce. Another thing I bought is this scrubbing brush, which is wooden, and you can put it on the compost heap afterwards. So that means I don't need to use the plastic sponges with the scrubby bit on, which I really like. But this is doing a good job. It's pretty good. The next change we've made is to start using loose leaf tea. We've got some green tea, which is my husband's choice. And I bought this strawberry serenade, and the reason I bought this is partly because I like the sound of it, but also because it's in a tin, so I can take that into a shop to have it refilled, because I've noticed Neil's Yard you can buy loose tea. And because we've got the loose tea, we wanted to get a teapot to infuse in, but then we realised we could use our coffee press. So that's getting even more use than it was before. Something else that I bought that is quite handy are these silicone bags, and they are really easy to use. You can put them in the dishwasher. This one's got a bun in it because my son had a bun at the bakery and then we didn't want to eat it, so I've brought that home for him. But you can also take it to the meat counter or a butcher and ask them to put meat in it, and then you can pop them in the dishwasher, so they're really easy to carry around. I've got my jars all up high, ready to keep leftovers in and to pop things. And then when I cook my beans in bulk, I've measured them all out so that I can just grab a jar, and they're in the freezer. I'm making some vinegar to do cleaning with. This is white vinegar, and I've just got a lemon peel and some orange peels when I was doing some juicing, and I've got them in there. The orange peel and lemon peel in the vinegar will take a couple of weeks, and then I can use it for cleaning and dilute it, and it will just smell a bit nicer than just vinegar. I've got myself a new bag. The other challenge I've set myself is to not buy myself any new clothes or shoes this year. I can buy underwear because that's a bit creepy, and socks because they're quite hard to buy second hand. But I bought this one off eBay for £3. It's synthetic, so it's not leather. And it's Marks and Spencer, and I'm pretty sure it was quite a lot more than £3, but it means that I needed a bigger bag because my son's potty trained and I need to carry a change of clothes, and my other handbag was too small. We're still researching where to buy bread from. I found Lidl is pretty good. Some supermarkets will let me buy the bread before they put it in plastic packaging, but not all, and it's not consistent. But I really wanted a bakery that I could walk or cycle to, which is quite an ask because we actually live near any shops really. But the nearest bakery I don't like. I've tried all the different kinds of bread and I don't like it, so I'm not willing to buy it from them just because I can buy it without a plastic bag. So I'm trying a new one today, the Christmas bakery, which is in Ash. We'll see, I don't know, I haven't tried it yet, but if you've got any other local bakeries that you know of that I could try, let me know. To avoid plastic snacks, plastic wrapped snacks, I've got this dome that I'm keeping stocked up. It doesn't look very attractive at the moment because they're nearly all gone, but I just keep some cakes and biscuits and things. So they're perfect, ready to pick up for lunch boxes, and they're quite easy access. But I think my son's a bit scared of this cloche, which is quite handy, but the rest of us can get to it. And it just means we don't forget the things we've made either because they're out in full view. Other zero waste actions I've taken is to try and use up all the grains I've got stored. So I've got all different kinds of grains, and instead of buying rice when I run out of rice, we're moving on to the other grains that might have been forgotten at the back of the cupboard. So we're making sure we don't waste any of that, we're going to eat it all up. And the other thing I'm doing is burning all the candles that I'd kept in a cupboard like they were some sort of precious, I don't know what. But anyway, I'm burning all of those, and when they're finished then I'm going to make new ones using the soy wax that I already have. So I hope you enjoyed our miniature tour, and I will see you again soon. Bye!